You open that one. So that one's from Mimi and Papi.
And pull the ribbon off.
They don't have a tag.
Pull the ribbon off. Can you tear the paper? Can you open the paper?
I love how Bert's helping with all the presents. That's great.
Good job.
Yeah.
Hope that's not fragile, Daniel. Oh, it's from Amazon. That means it's got to be good. I don't think you've got fingernails for that. Let's see.
There's got to be something good in there, though.
Actually, that paper that Pop got made in a big box. So it's just cheap. See, that paper is so big.
Yeah.
And that was the only box I had.
He's liking opening stuff. Good things come in boxes, don't they, Daniel?
There we go.
Ooh, red. Red plastic.
Isn't that pretty? Can you pull all that stuff out of there?
Wow.
There's something inside there. What's inside there, Daniel? What is that? Oh, there was something inside there, Daniel. Look, Daniel.
Look.
What's that?
It's the count.
The count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What else is in? Oh, there was something in there. There's something in there, Daniel.
We're throwing the babies out with the bathwater. Look,
that?
Daniel, it's Oscar.
Scram, it says.
Oscar the Grouch. Yay.
Yeah.
What's that?
Is that a little bird?
There's a little bird.
That's a little baby bird.
Little mini bird.
Baby bird.
Where's Big Bird? There's Big Bird and Little Bird.
Love each other. That's sweet. And Big Bird.
Except he's a little bird.
Yeah.
Is that Little Big Bird?
That's Little Big Bird.
Baby
Yay.
Big Bird.
Does Big Bird love everybody too? Yeah, I
That's
know.
all in
I
there.
figured Bert would be a fave.
That's a lot of padding.